it's me, Khadija again, and this is another video of my channel. I'm gonna show you today of how you can make your own cereal and give your mom and dad a relief. The things that you'll need is some milk, some 2 cereals, a bowl, a tissue if you spill something, and a spoon. So let's get started. So first we're gonna pour in some cereal. Oh well, don't even have to use that. And then we're gonna pour in some milk. Okay. Why not just pour it all in? And that's how you make your own cereal. And now it's time for the taste test. You should try this too and give your mom and dad a relief. Bye.